Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Come home to this beautiful home with modern designs and high-end finishes. This newly built 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 2-family split-level home sits on 0.18 acres of land. It is located in Treadways, St. Catherine. The main level consists of a double-car garage with roll-up doors, 3 bedrooms, one with large walk-in closet, 2 bathrooms with wall tiles to ceiling, and the master bathroom with double vanity bowl. A powder room with tiles to ceiling, open concept combined living and dining area, and kitchen with island counter, solid wood cabinetry, winery area, granite countertops, ceiling fans with the drop lighting and recessed lights throughout the upper floor, a laundry room, a rear balcony with arch veranda to the front. The lower level consists of 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, self-contained unit with kitchen, also has solid wood cabinet and pantry area. Access to this self-contained unit is external. The roof is multi-hip timber framing clad with aluminum roof tiles, gypsum ceiling, etc. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 33 million or US $214.4 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.